Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome. Today I have a Fierce Forward Jewelry unboxing. Fierce Forward Jewelry is a woman-owned brand. They make the most beautiful jewelry. It's all natural stones, handmade. I just love them so much. Let's dig in. I promise I'm not gonna cry this time. Sometimes I get emotional, especially when there's like surprise things. So first of all, it comes with this adorable handwritten note. There's magic in you, Jess, they're here. So excited you got the big rose quartz. We appreciate you, keep shining bright, Ashley and Mark. So thank you, Ashley, so much. Just like the personal touches really makes it, it's just so amazing. All right, so box number one, oh my goodness. So there are two pairs of earrings in here. So they had this really fun jewelry party on Instagram, and these are yellow citrine. Can you stand it? So really fun little danglers. And then the other pair that I got during the party are these amazing, actually I kind of forget what the stone is on these, but it's like this really fun green. I really love either like very dainty jewelry or I like natural stones. So I'm so excited for these, and I love that like silvery kind of hoop wire going on. Those are beautiful. Okay, then apparently these are going crazy on TikTok. I got this amazing like carvent clip, and this is labradorite, which is the stone of transformation, which like labradorite is one of my absolute favorite stones. Just like look at all the different flashes. That's gonna be so cool in the car, like the way that the sunlight hits it in different ways. I'm so excited. And then she did a giveaway during the live party, and I actually won this amazing rose quartz. So this, if I'm gonna cry at all, this will be when, because that's the surprise. So let's take her out. And everything is like wrapped so well. Oh my goodness. Oh. Look how stunning. That is amazing. So she was saying like perfect for your desk. So I am so bringing this to work. This is just gonna add so much just like love to my desk. I already have really good vibes in my office, if I do say so myself. But I'm gonna add this. It is so pretty. I love it so much. So I am in no way affiliated by Fierce Forward. I just found them one time. I was at Wanderlust and she had a booth, and like there's just like such a vibe. Like I just really connected, and I've been obsessed with the jewelry ever since. They have really cool like mantra bracelets and stuff, and these beautiful earrings and necklaces and so many things. So I will absolutely link Fierce Forward down below. You should definitely check her out on Instagram so you can see a lot of the pieces. She also has a really great sense of style. So she's really awesome at like styling things, so you can really like get a sense of like how to wear it. And she also does like crystal sun catchers and like chakra hangers and stuff. Like I'm so proud of her for how much she's grown the business over the time. Like it used to just be the bracelets, and then she's expanded and it's grown, and it's just all done with so much love. So anyway, I really hope you enjoyed. I do have other videos if you want to see more from Fierce Forward. I have lots, so you can check out my other videos, and I will see you in the next video soon. Have a great day, stay positive, bye!